welcome back to Cat and Dogs on Wheels. I'm Cat, this is Smokey, and this is RJ, my crew. Today we're going to go through the building of my bed. I thought originally I was just going to use the bed that I had, which was a full-size bed. But right away I figured out that was way too big. It was going to take up my closet space, part of my love seat. It was just not going to work. So I knew I needed to go to a single bed. I was given a really cute bed frame, a single bed frame in bed, and I moved it in here, but I couldn't figure out a way to really secure it, and it was a little low, so I wasn't going to get the storage I wanted out of it, and the footboard had too many bars and things on it, so I wouldn't be able to utilize the back end of the storage there. I wouldn't be able to get in from my handicap door. So I decided I couldn't use the frame, but I loved the headboard, so I kept the headboard and I kept the mattress and I built the rest of the frame. I built it out of all materials that I already had. I had some cube storage that I flipped horizontal, and I used leftover plywood from my walls and leftover plywood from the shelves I made, and 2x4s. Scrap 2x4s that we had laying around. So my issue is I couldn't really put the bed against the wall because of the heater and the door handle things. So I custom made a special little ledge to add on. So the two pieces of plywood were the width of the bed, but then I added on an extra 6-inch piece on that side so that there wouldn't be a big gap for RJ to catch his legs in or for Smokey to actually fall in and get trapped. So let me show you some of the details. Okay, under the bed you see you have storage at the tail end, the 2x4 legs, and then we've got the 3 cubes of storage. And then we have the front under the bed area that goes all the way to the back. Here's the end of the bed, and you can see that there's the 2x4 leg, and then we've got, that's the extra over wider than the mattress. And then down here you can see where they meet, and underneath, 2 of them are on the 1 cube. Only the second board's on this one, but so is the little added lip board. And so this is my back behind storage. In the back at the front of the bed is storage I don't get to, that I don't need to get to at all. And then I can pull, this is my little portable table and bench that I can pull out and get to that stuff back there. This is my dirty clothes bin, and I don't usually get it from here. I usually just dig it through from the other side. And tools, so I've got my same 3 cubicles. These back 2 are tools. I have my bus heater back here, and I'm glad I kept it. As you can see, it can ventilate its air. The heat comes out of the top. I actually cover this with pillows. Unless I'm going to run this heater, then I pull everything away from it. Here's a shot of the bed without the pillows. And the pillows are vital because see all this hardware? We don't want to be bumping into that in our sleep. And now there's a place for RJ's giant toys without taking up bed space. And the pillows cover all the hard bumps and things. And we've got a comfortable bed with lots of storage. Thanks for hanging with us this week. A special shout out to my subscribers and those of you who keep coming back for more. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you next week, and I'm going to install my security locks on these 2 back doors. I'll be doing it in real time. I'm actually going to have you with me while I'm installing it. Let's hope it all goes smoothly. If not, we'll discover what not to do. So until next week, remember what my dogs say.